Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install Duckduckgo in computer. So how to download and install Duckduckgo in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of your browser. Here it is already on the initial display of the browser application. In the search type, download Duckduckgo for PC. Well, here it is, tap that I showed using the arrow. Well, here tap, download. Well, on the top right, this will appear in the download menu. And tap. Well, it will appear like. This is still the download process. Wait until the download and install process is complete. Well, this is finished downloading and installing. Tap Starter. Well, this is the main display of the Duckduckgo application after it is installed. Duckduckgo is an application and search engine that focuses on user privacy. Unlike Google or Bing, Duckduckgo does not track search activity, store personal data, or create user profiles for advertising. So that's it, the tutorial how to download and install Duckduckgo in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.